Hey everyone, Monkey Wrench Mike. We are back at, you know what's coming up, right? Yeah, my favorite place on earth. This is IAA in Tulsa, Oklahoma. We are checking out all kinds of cars and trucks and SUVs and perhaps even a GT Mustang in this video. We're looking for something fun to perhaps add to the channel, and if there's something that you see that you like, you can have it shipped right to your home. Absolutely. IAAI.com is a place to go. Pay your little membership fee, go to the auctions, watch them from the comfort of your couch and your pajamas, buy a car, you can have it shipped right to you, and you can save a ton of money. All right, let's see what they have here in Tulsa. How about a 2010 Hyundai Genesis Coupe? Hyundai Coupe that has all kinds of crazy go fast stickers on there. Look, it went to the throwdown in T-Town 1, 2, 3, 4 times. What is the throwdown in T-Town? I don't know. I guess it's some kind of a race or something. We have a Go Fast sticker right there. I don't know what that says. If somebody across the world will let me know, that would be great in the comments, because I do read the comments. Miller Time Racing right here. We have another sticker that says, "Love me." This one is my favorite right here. "You make my heart go vroom." I love that. Okay, and another Miller Time Racing sticker. Damage looks like it's only, to the front of the car. We have tinted headlights. I don't know why. And it's kind of run over the bumper. Okay, I think the bumper support is okay. Your washer fluid reservoir is still reserving the washer fluid, so that is good. I think that this would be an easy fix. Okay, so you do need one fender. This may be a little damaged, so maybe there's a suspension behind it or a steering tie rod or something like that, and damage to the actual wheel itself. And you have a nice little scratch. Maybe this is where she ran into the side when she was racing down in that throwdown in T-Town. Okay, you may need a door. This may buff out. I don't know. There's a little dent right there, and then some more little scratches and dents right here. So this, it's more extensive than I thought. Let's just kind of see what the inside is like. Typical Genesis on the inside. We have power. Okay, see the little red car right there? Let's see what happens when you turn the key. And we do have 2 keys, so thank you very much, whoever was before me, for not taking one of the keys. Let's just kind of, oh. So this has been modified a little bit. Whoa. So it says Genesis Coupe right here. 210,189 miles on the odometer. Listen to that exhaust. And the repair shop near where I live currently, has been doing the oil change. It's doing 3,000 miles. So, and they do good work. So that's a good sign right there. But this is, can you hear it? Okay. Something is rattling right up here. Oh. Ooh. Lovely Quay sunglasses. Those are nice. We'll put them back. And we'll just leave that down because that's, oh, they left their garage door opener in here too. But listen to that exhaust. That is something there. Can you hear it? Woo! Okay. Let's see what they've done under the hood. What do you think? Cold air intake? Or is it all stock? I bet there's a cold air intake. Here we go. No. Well, RS Turbo. I'm not familiar with the Hyundai Genesis at all. Is this from a different engine? With the big old turbo. I mean, it's a 2.0T. Maybe this is stock, maybe this is not. I don't know. Somebody tell me. RS Turbo right there. That seems to be running really, really well. Huge exhaust pipes. See right down there? Absolutely. Here's your turbo. The done some stuff to the battery. That wiring seems to be a little strange. But there's no modification to the air filter, okay? But that sounds good. Oh my gosh. That really sounds good. Okay. This is very fixable. Absolutely. Okay, do you want to see Mike become a, uh-oh. Yeah, okay. I mean, you could put on a bumper, fix the headlights, make it look a little bit more stock, but keep the engine and the exhaust, so it's really more of a sleeper. I don't know what I think about this. I love that sound, though. I love that sound. Okay. Wow. So, everything is going to work. I mean, you just know it. There's your AC. It did kick on. And it is cool. It's 57 degrees outside. But I can feel this is cold air. I think the engine mounts, if I had to guess, that's a different engine. The engine mounts were installed and probably don't give enough. What is this? Oh, that's just a... What does it do, though? What does this do when we plug it in? What does that do? Huh. I don't know. 200,000 miles. Yeah, those engine mounts are gone. But it seems like the transmission still wants to go into gear. Oh, would this be something fun? I mean, 4-time throwdown in T-Town survivor. Okay, serviced at Tate Boys. Excuse me. And you get your cool sunglasses. So this is something I am interested in. Paddle shift right here. Okay, this would be a fun little car. If you're in college and you want to get lots of tickets, this is the car for you. Absolutely. Can I interest you in a Wrangler? Yeah. Easy fix, absolutely. All you need to do is a couple of doors and everything above the frame. Look at this. Wow, this is a hot mess. That was a hard wreck. Well, it wouldn't be a Monkey Wrench Mike video without a Mercedes, would it? Absolutely. The damage on this 2011 E350 has been highlighted for us in blue. This says the fog light is bad. Okay. Well, we need something. Well, there's an arrow pointing right there. Okay, so that part of the bumper is bad. You're missing your grille. You need a headlight. You need a headlight. You need a hood. What else? I'm trying to read and talk at the same time, and that's very difficult for me to do. Even though I did it for 25 years as a news anchor. This was a good-looking car. This absolutely was a good-looking car, and it's the E-Class, so it's a little bit larger. I love how they have the bulges kind of right through here. I really like that. I like what they did with the back of it. Okay. I think this would be a pretty easy fix if everything is okay mechanically. Okay, you don't even need a fender. Just get yourself a hood, a headlight, and a bumper with the grille attached, and I think you'd be good. Absolutely. This would be an easy fix. Oh, so she's been sitting in the sunlight for a long time. Look at how this is faded. Ooh, all the wood is faded. And we do have this, oh, I hate when they went to this bonded leather, and the seats always are the first to go. The driver's seat is always the first to go. You're going to find that on the C-Class, the GLK class, E-Class. Oh, this wood just ruins it. It really does. If there was some way to bring that back, I really wish there was. I think we have power. Let's see what happens. Oh. Well, I got the old key. How is that even going to work? Hold on. We'll be back. Unfortunately, we can't do anything. I mean, there is power, watch. See? We do have power. What we don't have is this part of the key. So someone has taken it right there. Okay? And this is my pet peeve. And I don't know. Some people, they come out here and it's like they own these cars and they start throwing stuff around. They go through here and they throw this here and they open and they slam it and they take the keys like they own it and they think they can walk around and just do all this crazy stuff to these cars. And they're not supposed to, because being able to come out here, it's not a right, okay? It's a privilege for you to come out here and look at these cars. And you're supposed to treat them and leave them the way you found them, and not worse, and probably even better than you found them. Charge up the battery. Be nice to the next guy, okay? That's fine. Don't try to take the keys, run the batteries down so you get a better deal. I don't like that. That's my pet peeve. I'm sorry I got on a soapbox, but this, I don't know. I was really interested in the car. Now I don't know if it's going to run and drive at all because someone has taken that part of the key. See? Absolutely. That is not nice at all. So we're going to keep looking. We're just going to keep looking. I'm going to cool down. I'm going to cool my jets a little bit. There's one fog light for you. And part of what's under the front. Let's see if we can pop the hood and just see what's going on there anyway. Well, we can't get it to unlatch from this latch right here because the way that this is dented and damaged. So I can't even get under here to show you guys what the engine looks like. So with that, I apologize. I shouldn't have gone off like that, but people need to be nicer to each other and consider the person behind them in line. That's just crazy, okay? To leave these things worse than when you found them. Not cool. Not cool at all. All right, here we go. 2007 Ford Mustang GT with good looking wheels and a nice lip on the front and a purple horse. Problem is hail damage, okay? There are so many dings right in through here. And on the top, there are some gigantic dings from the hail. But if you can look past that, oh, you get a purple GT. I kind of like the wheels. I wish they matched the car a little more. If they were more of the charcoal and not the, maybe they're just really dirty. They don't even really match this. You got your fake carbon piece right there. Your Go Fast stripes. You have a nice, another gigantic exhaust right there. And see the damage up here? Ding, 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 ding. It's everywhere. So this was hit in a good sized hailstorm. They did try to re-glue this. Every Ford Mustang I've ever been in has had that issue right there. Okay, so this is not an automatic, of course, which is fantastic. Okay, we have a clutch. Oh my gosh. That is, man, I bet this sounds amazing. But of course somebody, dadgummit. She's dead as a doorknob. This is, it's a difficult, you could not daily drive this. There's no way. You know this has some kind of a special. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's just look under the hood. Typical GT interior. I don't like that though. Oh, this is heavy. Oh, look at that, baby. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Doggone it, I want to start this car. Powered by Ford. Look at that. It's huge. That is huge. And you know it's going to sound like a race car. It's going to sound like that Hyundai Genesis with a big exhaust as well. But I can't. I'm out of juice and this is out of juice. So we just got to imagine what it sounds like. Yeah, absolutely. How nice is that though? I still like it. I couldn't drive it. I couldn't do the clutch like that. No way. But I don't know what the purple was. A female, the owner. I don't know. I wouldn't paint my horse purple, but maybe some people would. All right, everybody, let me know of these vehicles, which one you think might be a good addition to the channel or which one you would choose, because like I keep saying, You don't have to be a dealer. You can come out here as a member of the public and you can buy these cars and you can have them shipped right to you. It is very, very easy to do. All right. If you haven't done so yet, please like and please subscribe. We've hit the 50,000 subscriber mark. It's on to 100,000, but I cannot do that without you. So please, please, please do that as soon as possible. All right, everybody, have a great day and we'll see you again very, very soon. Bye-bye.